presents.
Whoa, that's a lot of stuff. Oops.
Don't make a mess.
Oops.
Keep it
Well, I already
keep it
messed that up.
separate.
What is this? Oh.
Anna,
I got stolen.
keep your stuff separate so that you guys don't fight over it. That Hello Kitty came out of yours, Angeles.
Minion.
Minion?
Minions. The best.
Make sure you show me so I can see what it is.
Glitter sand bottle.
Cool.
Yay!
Bubbles.
Includes 6 bags of sand, 2 plastic bottles, 1 funnel of design bulb, instruction sheet. Okay. Oh! What is this? Dart gun. Wow! Kapow!
What is it, Michaela?
Fires 6 flex dart.
It's Barbie? Awesome!
I really hope Kirby's in here. Coloring and Frozen book!
Another Frozen book?
Whoa, Candy.
Candy?
Yes.
I bet you that part's from Uncle Nick.
What
Candy
this?
is his favorite.
Crystal. I'm a color.
Ooh,
Crystal
awesome! You can grow crystals. Cool.
Great, beautiful crystals and watch them grow.
Stickers!
There's so many lollipops. Party poppers.
Cool.
Wow. 6 confetti.
Woohoo! You threw them everywhere! Yay! Oh, it's Silly Putty. Well, wait a minute. Look at everything you got, and then we'll open stuff, okay?
Whoa. Light up spike ball. Whoa.
That's cool. You got gummies?
Gummy. I am a gummy bear. I like that. What is this? What is this? Oh. Fire pen. I got one. Oh, sour something. I saw sour. Sour punch bag.
Cool.
I'm gonna check for anything else. Oh, I got something else. What is this? What is this?
Silly Putty.
Oh. What is this?
Yeah.
A silly straw! What is this? A silly straw! 8. Mom, 8. Number 8.
Well, that's perfect because how old are you?
8.
Cool.
Is there anything else?
What do you girls say?
Thank you, Tiffy. Okay. Thank you. I'm putting this away. Okay. Look at some.
You got more? Oh my gosh. What is that?
If a wishing star offered me $1 million, or one of the best, or one of the best nieces in the world, I'd take $1 million. Oh God!
That's not nice. Well, I don't know. $1 million is quite tempting.
Because I've already got one of the best nieces in the world. Happy birthday! You are an amazing girl with such a personality, and I hope you enjoy your birthday. Many more to come. Love you so much. XOXO. Love, Tiffy. Nick and Tiffy.
Aw,
There's a kitty cat. There's a kitty.
they love their kitties.
I have one.
That was cool.
Can someone help me?
Look at you, Michaela. You made a mess.
Look at all this candy.
Yeah, she poured all her lollipops out everywhere.
Look at all my lollipops.
Hold on, let me see. Let me see. Move so I can see the light. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of lollipops.
Oh, look at the special lollipop. How can I open it?
Cool.
Mystery Mania.
Try it.
Popcorn, pizza, bacon.
You open it the other way, sweetheart. You want me to read it to you?
Popcorn, pizza, or bacon?
I'm going to read it to you, okay? Stand right there and I'll read it to you, okay? It says, happy birthday to a niece who's smart and pretty and sweet as can be. But that's not really surprising. That's heredity. Happy birthday, Michaela. I love you with all my heart. You're growing up to be such an amazing little girl. I hope you enjoyed your special day. XOXO. Love, Tiffy. P.S. Nick loves you too. And there's a little kitty cat.
This is dog food.
What do you think about that? What do you think about your card?
I have a lot of candy now. This is freaking me out. This is freaking me out. Okay.
That is the weirdest tasting lollipop in the world.
I have one. It's right here.
It really does taste like...
Are you poisoning me?
Take that away. Go throw it out. That really does taste like what dog food smells like.
Whoa!
I'm going to have to ask Uncle Nick if he tried one of those. Is that everything?
I still got more lollipops.
More lollipops. All right, girls. What do you say to Aunt Tiffy and Uncle Nick? Get in there, Angelise.
Thank you. Thank you. Sorry. Apple. Apple in the hand.
All right. Bye.